What's up, guys? Malik here. Welcome back to my channel. And I'm just going to preface this with saying all of the trades today were losses. I don't know what the fuck is going on. Like, I went from having a relatively solid strategy where I was executing on the days to now it's just straight losers. I don't know what's going on, but I'll be showing you the trades today and just the full transparency of this YouTube channel. This will be my second funded account if I blow it. So the other one I actually did get funded, and then I got terminated after losing the drawdown. And in this one, it's looking like I'm about to hit that drawdown. You'll see it here at 23,750. So if I hit that, I'm gonna lose this account and I gotta start all over. So you will probably be seeing that if I don't get my shit together, basically, right? So let's take a look at these trades. So the first trade you'll see was at 208. So I was actually up very late last night. And then I was able to take this trade. Hopefully this stays. Of course it doesn't. So we had a slight mishap there where I couldn't keep this on top. So I couldn't mark off the charts while observing my entries and where I got stopped out or where were my exits. So I had to pause and stitch it together. So hopefully it's very smooth for you guys. So the first trade was at 208 here. So you'll see I entered on the 2 o'clock candle. Let's find that. And this is 2 a.m. Can actually take it from Wednesday down at the bottom here. And then I entered at 15,551. 15,551. Let's actually remove yesterday's markings. So I entered at 15,551. Then I got stopped out on the 515 candle. So the next candle right over the 215 candle actually is what hit me out, and that was at 15,561. 61 flat. So good thing I had my stop loss there, but you can see that we actually came up before trending down, but I don't know what to say. Maybe I should have set a bigger risk. I don't know. I don't know what to say about these trades, man. But then this is where I entered and this is where I got stopped out. You can see we had a huge move down that I could see, but I wasn't able to time it, I guess. So the next trade I entered at 15. Ensure this is on the right thing. I guess this is on the wrong thing. 15,551.1. So this is where I entered on the second trade. I got stopped out the same place. So the first trade, 15,551 for a 0.2, and that gave me a loss of 20. And then this one I entered at 15,551.1, and then I had a loss of $9.90. So the next trade, this should be more in the morning, still a bit early. That's around 7:20, so that's on the 7:15 candle. And let's see what I was trading here. And then I got stopped out on the 7:30 candle actually, which is the next candle over, at 15,535.9. I honestly need to find a strategy that works on the Nasdaq 100 because I don't know what the hell is going on. I entered buy side here, got stopped out quickly right here. Okay, so the next trade now, I entered on the 8 o'clock candle. So let's find 8 o'clock down here. And I entered that at 15,530.2. 15,530.2. Then I got stopped out on the 5 o'clock candle. Same candle a minute over. At 15,519.6. So I entered to the buy side. I got stopped out here as the price kind of reversed. This was the same stop loss on the next trade. And the next trade I had entered at 15,530 flat. So 0.2 on this one. And that was a total loss of 10.4. So you can see it was literally a 0.2 difference right here. And when it comes to the loss as well. The next one now, it's looking like I entered this one to the buy side on the same candle. Let's see. That's on the 8 o'clock. Buy side, same candle at 15,518.7. 15,518.7. And I got stopped on 9:30 candle. Let's find that. And honestly, I hate when candles move like this because these candles basically take out both sides of the market. Like, I find that kind of unfair because you can basically take out the highs and take out the lows if you don't have your stop loss. So if you have a buy position, you're getting taken out here for sure. If you have a short position, you're probably getting taken out here. If you had your stop at the zone, you probably wouldn't get taken out. And that's something I'm noting right now. So if you're trading from the zone, you could have had your stops at the zone and then taken it to the downside, and that would have given you some safety as it relates to this 9:30 candle. Very, very interesting. So I had another that hit my stop loss here that I entered on the 8:15, and that was at 15,524. So I'm looking at this trade right now. 524, right? So this was a total loss of 1710. And then the next one now I entered on the 9:30 candle. So I'm guessing when it hit me out, I was like, I gotta get back this money. You know, like just very emotional. A lot of revenge trading there, and I entered at 15,496.5. And I got stopped out on the 10:45 candle, which was this one. So I entered to the buy side and got quickly stopped out at 15,467. And you see, this was the range of that previous candle. So I entered to the buy side. We were up for a little bit. We're coming straight down. And it was violent, honestly, for a total loss of 29.50. The next one, same stop loss. And then I entered this one on the same 9:30 candle at 15,493.5. And that was a total loss of 26.50 on that one. And as you can see, the difference here is 3, the difference here is 3, right? So the next trade entered to the sell side on the 11 o'clock now. This is where the market really gets you. Like, if you see the market like pushing down, it's probably time for a reversal. And when it does that reversal, it's going to clear you out of your position. That's exactly what happened here. So I entered for a reversal right on the lowest point of the market today and got stopped out. Same candle at 15,450. That was the same stop loss for the other candle. Same stop loss for the other candle. So I'll just move that. So I entered here to the downside, got stopped out here. Honestly, I should have been looking for a reversal trade here, but I guess my eyes weren't seeing that I had some bias on the day here. And the next trade I entered at 15,436.8, and then that was a total loss of 1320. I got stopped out the same place, 15,450. Right. The next one now I entered on the 215. So let's check that out. On the 11:15 actually, and that was at 15,451.2, and where I got topped out the same candle at 15,460. 460. Okay, for a total loss of 880. And then the next one I entered at a 0.1 difference, got stopped out at the same place for a loss of 8.90, right? And then the last trade now was another 2 bundle trades. Entered 2 on the buy side. I was probably right for a minute or right for a little bit, and then after that he came and took out my stops like violently too, like bro, violently. When I say violently, I mean this shit had me like reconsidering trading and all that, because like what the fuck, like why are we trading like this, you know? And then it came and basically hit up my stop loss at 1252. Let's find that. 1252, so that would be 1245. And then I got stopped out at 15,449.9. So I entered here, got stopped out here, which is not bad because it's just having my stop loss at a good place. But when the market comes and retest this area, you're in trouble, because if your stop loss is just right below the zone, yeah, you're probably getting knocked the fuck out. You know what I mean? And then this one I entered just a 0.2 difference. So I found a way to actually enter these trades much quicker. So I'm able to not take a lot of varying losses when it comes to these trades. And I got hit out here for a loss of 1230. So that's basically it for today's video. You can see I took a bunch of losses. Honestly, man, I'm like back to the drawing board. Like I need to go study some more, review some other people's content, and just I need a mentor or something, man, because I don't know. At the same time, I'm kind of just getting stressed out because, like, why isn't this working? I have some success and then it just stops. Like, why does this keep happening? That's where I'm at, but I'm gonna keep pushing. As you can see, I'm still gonna push out the videos because you know why? Fuck it. Just keep getting it, bro. I'll see you in the next video. Hope you enjoy this. Even though it was all losers, I know it's gonna be all winners in the future. Don't worry, anymore. We're gonna have $1 million account, millions of dollars just making in the day, and I'm gonna share it with everyone. Everyone's gonna make it while I'm making it too, right? But I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.